Set off with the
Word to the motherfucker, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Don't you never do that again.
Come on, Omar, you gotta spit something.
I gotta spit something.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you gotta spit something. Come on. I got you right here. I got you on video, man. I got you on video right now.
Come on, let's go.
Drop the
I'm not
flame.
taking no for an answer.
Like that.
I'm trying to spit from the dome, bro.
Yeah. With that beat right there. With that beat, right? Come on.
Birdman, bro.
Connect. Everybody, cause you know we got respect. Check it out, you know how we doing with the campfire. All day, you know we all on fire. Check it, I'm spitting from the dome. I'ma do it like this. I don't run my phone. Listen, I'ma do it all right, yo. Back to my connect, we gon' get it right. No, you know how I go. Check it out, my name is Flo. Listen, got everybody from the world. Yo, I got my favorite girl. No, hold up, I'm single, ready to mingle. Got it going down, cause you know I'm getting ringo. Check it, everybody wanna get it down. Hold up, yo, I got to wear the crown. Listen.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
10 toes down, standing around the fire, got the stones on the ground, cause we rock solid, spitting like a prophet. Can't run the topic, but I never off the topic. But I just off the top like that, and I hip hop and I rock like that. Got the tools of it in the background, got my homies sitting in the background, and it's like corn and chicken, avocado and olive oil missing. Cause we already used it. Cause we keep making music.
Yeah.
And we cooking up like chefs in the kitchen, wrist flipping like it's stir fry. Almost lost it. Spitting like a faucet. Drip.
Amari, come on, Amari, come on.
Alright, we going with the cipher. This is my life. Rock, you know how I go. Brooklyn all day, cause you know I don't play. Listen, got Manny on the camera. You know he ain't the man. Wait, I got the whole bed. He's the man. Listen, I'm just spitting. Everybody wanna listen. I'm
not listening.
Words.
Go.
I'm not listening.
Just words.
And now Danny go. No, Danny, go, Danny. You know you do your thing. Come on, Danny. Passing the mic.
It's in front of stare.
The vibes. That's right.
Are we still going?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on.
You got some more in you, don't you?
Pause.
You got some more.
Right now, I'm like, wait a minute.
Alright, listen. Hey, but you don't hear me though. Sitting in a circle, hoping that these verbals come in the way that I need them to come. Present them all like I'm speaking on a drum. I'm just the tribal man round the campfire, trying to spit these stories of the other live in lava, like air and soul, spitting from the dome off the top of the road. But we on the road, traveling through these hills and valleys, not going to grandma's house, just trying to support spouses and get these books about blouses is, and without blouses is, we trying to get minds to awaken and like, damn it, the beat drop.
Yeah.
That was dope.
Oh, that's a happy.
Okay, all right.